Oh my god. I just remembered. I ordered off of Amazon a new... Wait, where's Grandma? I ordered her... Oh, she's coming. I'm just gonna hide. So, guys, I ordered her a new burger because hers is so mean and she barely feeds it, so it's probably gonna die soon. So, I made sure that the new one was nicer. Well, that's what the training guy said. Yeah. I hope that training guy didn't scam me because it was freaking $800. Grandma! Well, I'm gonna break her favorite glass. Oh, it didn't break. Should I don't know if I should break her or not because I'm kind of scared. Grandma's a fat chinchilla. But she acts like a gorilla. Oh my god, that rhymed. Grandma! Granny! Where'd you go? Okay, I'm kind of scared of Granny, so I'm gonna break her. Don't call me a wimp. It's just that Granny me sometimes, and I have dance practice, so it gives me a bruise on my face because she does it with a baseball bat. I don't even know if she did softball when like she was younger because Granny is an old, dusty, musty, crusty gorilla chinchilla. Granny, come here. Ah! Girly pop. Yes?